Hello students, today we are going to deal with third chapter from our unit 3, that is note making. Now let us understand students what is note making. So students, note making is jotting down of the important points or details from the passage. Now students, you will ask, why do we take notes of? So the answer is, we take the notes in order to improve our listening and become active. We also take the notes to remember the concepts, to develop the meaningful learning skills, and also to gain better understanding of a particular topic. In this chapter, we are going to deal with the following topics: what is note making, formats of note making, styles of note making, and along with that, textbook questions and examples with answers. Now let us understand what is note taking and what is note making. Note taking is a passive process wherein we take the notes during lectures. Here, note taking is done at a glance and it gives complete view or understanding of paragraph or content which has main points or supporting details. Now, while note making, we are more focused and active. Here, we make more concrete connection between all the relevant concepts and words by particular methods like table, tree diagrams, points, etc. Now students, let us understand deeply what is note taking and note making. In note taking, one can only jot down the points which involves no sight interpretation, whereas in note making, the students can see each point clearly along with its link or connection with each other. In note taking, very little changes are required, whereas in note making, it is very easier to change the notes made. In note taking, one can take the points from one source at a time, whereas in note making, one can take the points from different sources like different lectures, speeches, or books. Note taking provides us less understanding, whereas note making gives us more understanding of the concept. In note taking, points are written in the full form, whereas in note making, points are written in the short form. Note taking helps the students to understand only the early configuration or the layout or the arrangement for the whole topic, whereas note making helps the students to understand and better capture its main key. In note taking, notes are made from sources. They are handmade since the time available is limited. In note making, the notes are made or constructed by the learner themselves, and they are handmade or they are in the computer typed form. Now let us understand the different formats of note making. The first format of note making is preparing an outline or framework. In the picture you can see that heading is given in the middle of the page. Then again it is followed by a subheading or subpoint. Again we can see that there is a subpoint or subheading given. Students, you can also make use of the abbreviation in note making. One of the other format of note making is bullets, numbering, or box format, which is also known as indented format. As you can see in the picture, the main sections can be given the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Again, the subsections can be given A, B, C, D, etc. And again, subsection can be given the Roman numbers. Again, also we can use the form of decimal system. Decimal systems can be given like 1.1, 1.2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, etc. Students, I told you all previously that we can make use of abbreviations, acronyms, or symbols. Now students, let us see the different styles of note making. The different styles of note making are tables, charts, line graph, tree diagrams, pictograms, maps, and plans. This type of style is table form. Now students, you can see over here some columns are made and there is a method, description, when to use, pros or cons written in the tabular form. So here is an example of note making. If a question is given to write the answer in a tabular form, you can use such type of table. How, advantages, disadvantages, when to use it. So this type of different columns are made and you can just go on. Next type of style is charts. You can have different types of charts like bar graph, pie chart and also flow chart. Now here is an example of bar graph. Now in the picture you can see that the percentages of sales, costs, profits, etc. are arranged in the form of bar graph. Now here is an example of pie chart and it can be used to show the percentages, growths, productions, etc. Again here this is an example of flow chart and you can see in the picture how the flow chart is made from start, input, then process and then end. Now here the next style of note making is line graph, and students, you can see in the picture that how the line graphs are made for showing the business of the movies, and in the next picture you can also see how the product trends by month are given, like for example desktops, laptops and tablets. Now students, the next type of style of note making is tree diagrams, and this is very familiar to you. You can make use of the tree diagrams to show the classifications, etc. The next type of style is pictograms. Here you can make use of the signs, symbols, pictures, etc. The next style is maps. Here you can see how the main topic is given or main heading is given in the map form, and then again under that subtopic 1 and subtopic 2, under that key details, and under that the other points should be written. The next style of writing note making is plans. Here you can see how the title, the agenda, dates, name, contact information, etc. are written in the planning form. Now students, we will see some textbook questions on note making along with the answers for that. So students, on your textbook page number 149, an extract or the passage is given on the topic Ayurvedic medicine facts. Just go through the passage and try to complete the diagram that is given on your page number 150. So students, on your textbook page number 150, you will see the question is given to complete the following diagram that represents prana and its elements. Now students, you can see that some information is given over here, and you will also see some information is empty or the space is given, and you have to go through the passage and you have to write down the points. You can have a look on the answers over here. One more question for the same passage is given, that is transfer the above information in the form of a table. So you can see the bodily processes, doshas associated with characteristics, imbalance causes. So you can see that few information is given, and again we have tried to solve the answers. So I hope your doubts are clear, and stay safe, and thank you so much.